The drawers are not quite big enough for the products that my wife uses. Since I had the docking drawer, I looked for alternative options, and there wasn't much, but I did find this Rev-A-Shelf vanity. It seemed to do the job, but obviously it doesn't have a plug and doesn't really have a place for a plug. So what I ended up doing was installing the docking drawer right into the back of the Rev-A-Shelf there, and using the docking drawer to kind of add support to the Rev-A-Shelf, as well as keeping the cord from getting tangled in the Rev-A-Shelf as it moves back and forth. I also got these docking drawer canisters, really nice canisters. Got the 2-inch and the 3-inch. I also got these rubber grommets off of Amazon just to kind of keep them in place.